Today, I'll show you how to connect your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro to two devices at the same time. Now, to do this, you first need to ensure that your earbuds are actually connected to one device. Like for me, if I open this, they're currently connected to my OnePlus phone. And once they're connected, simply go into settings. As you can see, they're connected right here. Simply go into settings and then select Bluetooth. So under Bluetooth, you should see the name of your earbuds. So you can tap on this or tap on the eye icon next to the device and select earbud functions. So tap on that. And then here under device management, you should see dual connection. So connect two devices at the same time and switch between them easily. So tap on that and ensure that this option is actually enabled, just like that. So if it's disabled, simply tap on it to enable. And now you can either tap on add device from here, or you can simply take your earbuds, return them into the case, open the lid of your case, and then press this button right here to enter pairing mode. So press and hold for like 2 seconds until that light starts flashing white like that. And then now you can simply get your other device. For me, it's an iPhone. And once you get your other device, go into settings. So tap on settings. And then under settings, you want to go into Bluetooth. And then it should start scanning for available devices. Simply tap on your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro and they should be connected. And now even here, as you can see, there are now two devices that are connected to my earbuds. Now I can switch between them at will. So as you can see, I can also manage them from here, and it's now currently connected to two devices at the same time. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions or comments down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next one, take care and God bless.